Good evening, guys, and welcome back on the second episode. Thank you for showing the love on the first episode, and I hope you keep us supporting the same way. Coming on to today's episode, we have a true example of hashtag women empowerment. Hashtag a self-made woman, a girl who have achieved what she wanted, what she desired, and she received this support not only from his mother and father but also from her in-laws very well. So let me introduce her. She is Nandini. Hi Nandini.
Hi guys, hi Kaushal. Can you
Hi,
hear
how are you,
me?
Nandini? We are here live with Nandini, who is homemaker by choice, a psychologist by her profession, a chronic and palliative care counselor, and co-founder of Palex Healthcare. So welcome back, Nandini. It was nice meeting you today here. I just
Yes,
want to
always a
ask
pleasure.
you.
Yeah, so in school, yes, I was one of the top three all the time, and so my marks in 10th were also in that range. But at the same time, I was very clear that I wanted to either pursue literature because science was not an option for me. I used to get very bored. I enjoyed
Oh,
physics, but chemistry, I wasn't very happy with, and I was not even good at it. So, and literature, my love for literature basically drew me towards arts. I was very good at art, as in drawing and stuff. So my parents actually were prepared that maybe she'll go into JJ School of Arts and become a commercial artist. They were prepared for that. Then they knew my love for literature, so they were not immensely shocked. But the other people around me were more shocked. Psychiatrist और psychologist काम तो एक ही फील्ड में कर रहे हैं, मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए कर रहे हैं.
correct,
जो साइकियाट्रिस्ट दोनों का क्वालिफिकेशन अलग है. तो
correct.
साइकियाट्रिस्ट जो होता है उन्होंने एमबीबीएस करके सो दे आर क्वालिफाइड एमबीबीएस डॉक्टर्स and then they have started they have taken MD or postgraduate diploma in psychiatry, and then they are working on the same population of patients basically, and they are trying to help them help people rehabilitate into as normal lives as possible. The difference is they can prescribe medication. Working with the psychiatric ward, I have had like patients getting aggressive. In fact, I believe I was once attacked also by a patient. But instead of scaring for some reason, एक तो थोड़ा I think डर लगने का tendency कम है यहाँ पे. तो instead of getting scared, I felt that oh my God, I realized कि oh my God, this person needs help. Imagine living a life which is very different from reality, very removed from reality, but you're still living in the real world. ये कितना डिफिकल्ट है एक इंसान के लिए, तो वो मुझे तभी बहुत एकदम स्ट्राइक हुआ. एंड देन आई रियलाइज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आई नीडेड टू टेक अप विद दिस प्रोफेशन, एंड it kind of helped me be more determined to work in psychology and become a clinical psychologist. There are sacrifices. There are times when you have to put your work first, and there are times when you have to put your family and housework home
Correct.
first. Balance is that way. Balance does not mean both have to be balanced at the same time. There are times when this needs priority, there are times when this needs priority. And
Correct.
answering, looking at that is important. With this session, I thank Kaushal for inviting me to Success Stories. And guys, please do follow Success Stories for more inspiring people and interviews and stories. And I'm sure I'm going to follow, and I am going to be inspired by all the lovely
Thank,
people Kaushal and
thank,
Hardik bring on to this
yeah. Thank you,
platform.
thank you, Nandini, and thank you guys for joining us today. We'll again meet you with a very inspiring story in coming days. We'll let you know. And again, thank you, Nandini, for giving your time to us and Success Stories. Thank you.